Welcome to Veg Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमका येवकार दिता माझ्या cooking channelaचेर आणि today I am showing you the local veg Doyi Bhaji with some paneer. So this is the Doyi Bhaji, the local Doyi Bhaji. We call it Amarnath, or you can say that green spinach local, or you can say green Amarnath. So it's a So I've taken this one bunch. Okay, again this was given by our neighbor and from her garden organic. Then this is like 1 tablespoon, big tablespoon of tomato sauce. Like I have made tomato puree, you can say. Okay. Then this is like 100 grams of paneer. 1 big chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 5 cloves of garlic and 2 green chilies. Now I have made some paste of this only, like how we make for palak, spinach. So like that only I have made it, boiled it, and then after cooling it I have grind it to a fine paste. So let's start. The other masalas, I'll be using some cumin powder and Everest, homemade Everest Kitchen King Masala, and the other normal masala powder, that is regular what we use. So let's start. So I will also add the Goan style what I made of Doyi Bhaji in the description box, and all the other masalas, that Everest Kitchen King Masala Powder also I will share the link, and also I will share the link of Goan Xacuti. Please do see. Now we will add 1 small teaspoon of cumin, whole cumin, okay. And we'll add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now we'll add our onion to this. Fry this nicely. So that Doyi Bhaji, or the green leaf vegetable, is easily available in the market. It's season now. In Goa, the locals sit around Taligaon, Mapusa, Giri. They sit outside their house. Supermarket also sell. So the Doyi Bhaji actually आता बाजारात मेळता. आमची बायलो घेऊन बसता थिंगासर म्हापसा, तो तालिगांवच्या रस्त्यार, या तो तालिगांव मागीर गिरी. Now we'll add our chili, garlic and ginger garlic paste. Let's add our masala now. आमचो मसालो करूया. नॉर्मल मसालो 1 कुलेर, 1 teaspoon, small teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of normal chili powder. Then we will add our 1 teaspoon of Everest Kitchen King Masala. Then we'll add our half teaspoon, we'll add cumin powder. And let's fry this nicely. Let's add salt to taste and according to your taste. Salt to taste. If you have added salt while boiling the vegetable, leafy vegetable, please take care of it. Now at this point, the masalas are fried nicely. Now we'll add our tomato paste. तर आता आम्ही टमाटाचे हे घालूया. अख्खी टमाटा घालूया आता, ओके. जाणा बाजारान टमाटा म्हारग जाल्या. जेन्ना आमी हाडटा तेन्ना ती पिड्यार जाता. तेका लागून हांवें कितें केलां, अर्दो किलो टमाटा हाडून पयलींच तेजी हे गरम करून तेजे हांवें एक पेस्ट करून दवरल्या. थोडी गार्लिक घातल्या तितून हांवें पेस्ट करता तेन्ना. सो नाव दिस इज लायक आर nice gravy. Now we'll add our paneer to this. And we'll add the puree. तो पनीर घालून आता आम्ही आमची ही वाटल्या पळय ते वाटून घेतला पळय ते घालूया. मिक्स कर बरे भशेन. उदक आमकां हितून आनीक सुट्टेलो. तो हितून कितें आहा ताका इल्लेशें उदक घालया आनी हें करुया. स्लो गॅस. आता या टायमार आमी एका आमचे पानां घालुया. मिक्स करून घे. सो लेट्स मिक्स दिस and we'll cover up. Check the salt. Okay, accordingly you all put this. And now we'll cover this and cook this for 10 minutes. Okay. Wow, I don't need any salt. Perfect. Masalas are perfect. So let's cover this for 10 minutes and our bhaji is ready. Very simple in a different way, and you can still relish our Goan Doyee Bhaji with paneer. I think so nowadays children don't like green leafy vegetable, but if you make it in this way, they will definitely like this. So try this and let us have some nutritious food. कितें आतां आमची भुरग्यांक चड करून लायक जायना हे भाजयो, ग्रीन भाजी आनी ही भाजी. पूण अशी अशी तूं करून घालची. तांकां पनीर बिनीर खूब आवडटा. तर हे बेस्ट वे आमची भाजी करपाक आनी आम शुअर तांकां लायक जातली. सो हियर आमची भाजी जाली. So it's ready. In Hindi it is called saag. and it is nicely done. So we are getting whole leaves also, plus we are getting the gravy also. So it's cooked nicely done. So hope you all will enjoy this recipe. Hope your children will enjoy this recipe. So मानता की तुमच्या भुरग्यांक तुमकां सगल्यांक ही आवडटेली भाजी आनी बरी भाकरे बरोबर खायात ओ पुलाव करात, जिरा रायस करात ओ प्लेन रायस करात ओ दाव शीत आनी हे सायडीक खायात आनी एन्जॉय करात. थँक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. देव बरें करूं.